Researchers from the Physical Intelligence Department at the Max Planck Institute for Intelligent Systems have developed a new strategy to breathe life into synthetic cells. They utilized giant unilamellar vesicles, GUVs, soft compartments made of phospholipid molecules that mimic natural cell membranes. While GUVs are ideal models for synthetic cells, making these passive structures motile has always been a significant challenge. By integrating them with microparticles under electric fields, the team achieved emergent self-propulsion. Furthermore, they demonstrated on-demand bursting for controlled cargo release by simply tuning the field parameters. Creating such adaptive, soft robots is a big challenge in robotics, but as seen in the side-by-side comparison with a human neutrophil pursuing bacteria, these synthetic assemblies successfully mirror the sophisticated motility of biological life. This study is featured on the front cover of Advanced Materials.